Okay, we continue to the effect tool for this software, for this image. Add image, right click and add image effects. Maximize that. As you saw before, in a separate preset, I add an effect image. Preset 2 rounded corner, and preset 3 it's empty. We reach to the adjustment effects, black and white. You simply black and white your image. Adjustment, you can change the brightness of the value. You can increase your brightness, for example this value. In adjustment, you can colorize your image. For example, you can add the overall color at your image, for example this image, and increase the value by a little number. You can add the overall color on your image. You can increase or decrease the contrast of your image with contrast color. You can change the gamma, the overall brightness or darkness. Here you can change you can make your image grayscale. Change the value, for example 2, more grayscale, more bright. You can change the hue, the angle, for example 40, or you can invert or inverse the colors. Each color has a opposite color that you can use it. Polaroid, change make your image like a output of polaroid cameras, the old look of camera, old look of image. You can replace image. For example, you can replace white color to the target color of your image. You can change the saturation of your color of image. More sature. Selective color. You can make it's some posterize your image. For example, if you change the palette size, if you increase your palette size, it's reached to the original image. And if you decrease it, kind of like this, you can change the color of white to any color that you want. Make it upper. Okay. And sepia, it's like changing your photo like a red brown. Sepia effect here. Set yeah. The number above the 1, let's make it brighter, or below the 1, make it darker. Okay, this is adjustment effects. You can set anyone that you want here in a preset number 3, and then you can add it to the after capture task here. You can set it any preset that you want with effect in them.